Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. BJP awaiting Alina Saldanha's response to contest by Poll of Cortalim. Congress to announce their candidate within 15 days. Golden Jubilee bonus to government employees held back due to code of conduct. Confusion on delimitation of wards remains unresolved. People go on hunger strike. Villagers demand postponement of panchayat election. 3 panchayats move the High Court. Goa government to reduce expenditure incurred on 108 ambulance service. Government contemplating increasing mediclaim limit to 3 lakh rupees. Salgaonkar are Goa Professional League champions. Karan Sharma led bowling attack makes short work of Sarvodaya Royals. Salgaonkar win by 151 runs to complete 2020 and 3 days double. And incredible, Salgaonkar Sports Club stun AFC Cup hopefuls from Oman. Karim bench reverse side wins Battle of Pride over qualification chasing Al Aruba. Now the news in detail. BJP is waiting for Alina Saldanha's response on their proposal to contest from Cortalim constituency. BJP says that she is their first preference. On the other side, Congress needs at least 15 more days to finalize their candidate. Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Navti said that Golden Jubilee bonus to the government employees will be held back due to the code of conduct.
कोर्तालीमचे बाय इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जाल्ले आहा सो तुमचो उमेदवार तुम्ही कितें ठरयला?
आमी उमेदवार करूंक ना पूण आमचो मित्र माथानी बाब अवेळी गेलो तेचे आमकां दुख्ख आसा ताचें स्वप्न फुडें व्हरूंक जाय पूर्तता करपाची जबाबदारी आमची सहकाऱ्यांची आसा आमच्या नदरेन ताची घरकान्न बाय एलिना आसा तिणें जर हय म्हटलें जाल्यार निश्चितपणे मातानी बाबाची स्वप्नां पूर्ण करपाक आमच्या बरोबर तिणें हातान हात धरून खंबीरपणे उबे रावचें. गेल्या म्हयन्याभरांत तिचेर आयिल्लें संकट आनी तिणें ज्या पद्दतीन संकटाक सामोरी गेल्या तिचे वयल्यान तिची कापास्तातूय लक्षांत येता आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा ती एक बरी लेजिस्लेटर म्हणून फुडें येतली निश्चित.
Subhash Shirorkar informed that the Congress candidate will be declared within 15 days. Kumar Swamy informed that electoral verification is in process and names of the new youth enrolled after January 2012 will not be included in the voters list.
As far as electoral roll verification is concerned, it is on. We are accepting applications that will be under continuous updation, but their names will not be issued any voters card at present, and they will not be included in the voters list. We are not going to bring out supplement. So as far as this by-election is concerned, whatever the rolls we used for 2012 elections, the same role will be used.
And they have earlier declared 5,000 rupees bonus for all.
Yes. That is an incentive which will not be implemented during the code of conduct.
They can give it to non-Goa people?
No. Yes, it is a general applicability that will not be applied in the code.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chaos and confusion over delimitation and reservation of panchayat wards has entered the 3rd day. People have hit the streets. Some have started hunger strike on Wednesday. Villagers demand that panchayat poll must be postponed and corrections should be made in delimitation and reservation of wards. Villagers have threatened to boycott the election if government does not correct the anomalies. 3 panchayats have raised this issue before the Goa bench of Bombay High Court.
Executive Coordinator of Council for Social Justice and Peace Sauter D'Souza said that the Directorate of Panchayat should have postponed election of other panchayat that have genuine objection as done in case of Kalangut Panchayat. CSJP has organized public hearing in Kartas Hall on 28th of April. CSJP would prepare a report taking into consideration the views of people and submit it to the government.
16 तारखेच्यान इलेक्शन प्रोसेस हे जालो, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लागू जालो. त्या उपरांत आतां कलांगूटच्या हातून तेणें कोरिजंडम काडलो आनी तो कोरिजंडम फाटी घेतलो. कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट तर इतलो सेक्रेट आसलो डायरेक्टराक, जाल्यार हे एकाच विलेज पंचायतीचें तेणें कित्याक केलें? रुलींग आमदार आसलो म्हणून. आनी दुसऱ्यांक तेका तर हें इलेक्शन पोस्टपोन करूंक जाता कलांगूटचें, जाल्यार दुसरे जे जेन्युइन केसीस आसा ते पोस्टपोन करून घेवचे. कायदो आसा तो सगळ्यांक एक तरेन जावचो. जेन्ना नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू जालें त्या वेळाच्यान कोर्ट सुद्दां इंटरफियर जायना इलेक्शनान. एक कोरिजंडम काडीत रावपाचें कितें पद्दत आसा? म्हणटच एके भाशेन तांकां जाय जाल्यार तेंच्यान जाय जाल्यार तेंच्या गव्हर्मेंटाच्या एगेन्स्ट जें कितें वेता तेचेर कोरिजंडम काडून लिगल कॉम्प्लिकेशन करून ती इलेक्शनां स्टॉप करूं येता. आनी जें तांकां पसंद जाता आनी तेंच्या वाटेन वयता तें चलयत रावतात. हातून खूब स्थापीत जालें की पॉलिटिकल इंटरफियरन्स has a role to play in Goa Panchayat elections.
Director of Panchayat Minan D'Souza said that they have withdrawn only one controversial corrigendum due to manipulation in the case of Kalangut Panchayat.
Code of conduct and election process, there are two different things. Now, what we have done is that wherever complaints have come from the public, now see, if you don't take complaints also, that is the directorate only to be blamed. And if we take complaints also and rectify also, we have to be blamed. In any case, leaving that aside, we have taken complaints wherever they have come and wherever we could refer to them videos, and if they have suggested changes, we have carried out. So how do we carry out changes is only to a corrigendum, and we have issued only one corrigendum to the delimitation notice, not many, because for rectification. In the case of Kalangut, what has happened is that through a corrigendum they have made some changes which are actually a fraud. It appears to be, that is that it created confusion. So now if that corrigendum was creating a confusion, Panchayat election would have been a big major hue and cry in village Panchayat. So what we did is that controversial corrigendum has been withdrawn. Since we had withdrawn that, State Election Commission had a reservation saying that the mandatory period of 5 days for display of the notice is not available with me if you have withdrawn it. So for that purpose, you just give me those 5 days by postponing the election of Kalangut by 5 days. So that is what we have done. It is not that because of the corrigendum that we are issuing corrigendums and corrigendum. That is not a correct thing.
Total 103 nominations were filed on the first day of filing nomination for the Panchayat election.
पहिल्या दिसा 23 तारीख एप्रिलचे संपूर्ण गोंयांत 183 नॉमिनेशन्स आयलीं. तेतूंतलीं नॉर्थ गोंयांत 85 आनी सावथ गोंयांत 98 नॉमिनेशन्स आयलीं. वॉर्ड्स जे बायलां रिजर्व आसा तेतूर 56 नॉमिनेशन्स आयलीं. तेतूंतलीं नॉर्थ गोवात 25 आनी सावथ गोवान 31 अशीं नॉमिनेशन्स आयले. ओबीसीची नॉर्थ गोवात 6 आनी सावथ गोवात 5. तशीच ST जे वॉर्ड रिजर्व आसा ST ताका नॉर्थ गोंयांत 2 आनी सावथ गोंयांत 2 अशी नॉमिनेशन्स आयली. 183 nominations total जाली.
A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agyar, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Goa government has decided to reduce the expenditure incurred on the 108 ambulances in the state. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar informed that if EMRI company is unhappy with the suggestion, then they would seek an alternate agency. He also informed they have plans to raise the income limit for Mediclaim scheme up to 3 lakh rupees.
Lakshmikant Parsekar informed that the expenditure incurred on 108 ambulances will be reduced. He also said that if EMRI company is unhappy with the decision, they would seek for an alternate agency.
108 स्कीम तुम्ही रिव्यू करपाचे
ना 108चेर आमच्या लक्षात आयलो की खर्च जास्त जाला. तो प्रत्यक्ष कितलो ट्रिपीक खर्च जाता, प्रत्येक एमर्जन्सी कितलो खर्च जाता हे आमी काडटात. ते वाडटा आसत जाल्यार आमकां प्रयत्न करून तो कमी कसो जातलो हो पळोवंक जाय. सरकारचेर भुर्दंड चड पडूंक जायना इतलें हो भितर हेतू. तांची सर्वीस जी आसा ती उत्कृष्ट सर्वीस आसा, सर्वीसच्या बाबतींत प्रश्नच ना. आनी त्यामुळे फक्त सर्वीस बरी आसा त्याच्या बरोबर खर्चय आमकां रिजनेबल आसूंक जाय इतलेंच म्हणणें आसा. म्हणून त्या दृश्टीन आमी तेचो आढावो घेतात.
कमी खर्च जाल्यार खंयची दुसरी कंपनी जर कमी खर्चान
पयलीं तांच्या कडेन जर तेच जर योग्य भावान करता आसात जाल्यार दे हॅव टू बी गिवन प्रिफरन्स. आतां एखाद्याक ना आमकां हें जावचें ना अशें आसात जाल्यार दुसऱ्याचो प्रश्न येता.
Parsekar further informed that income limit for the Mediclaim scheme will be increased up to 3 lakhs. Moreover, he mentioned that talks with ICICI Lombard company are still pending.
तुगेन मेडिक्लेमची 2 लाखांच्या रुपयाची ती रिव्ह्यू करपाची असले तेचे करपाक
मेडिक्लेमाच्या बाबतीत आमकां खरेंच म्हणजे एक म्हणजे इन्कम लिमीट 1.5 लाख दवरला तो 1.5 लाख परवडणारो ना आता 1.5 लाख इज नथींग त्यामुळे 3 लाखांपर्यंत मेडिक्लेम हे वचूंक जाय म्हणजे एलिजिबिलिटी 3 लाख उत्पन्न 3 लाखपेक्षा कमी असणाऱ्यांक बेनिफीट मेळूंक जाय 1.5 लाख हो टू स्मॉल.
आणि ती कंपनी ICICI लोंबार्ड तिचे कडेन उलोवणी करतले म्हटल्यार त्यांना नव्या रेटा बाबतीत
आमचे बसप जालें ना बसतले
तेजे उपरांत सगळें जाता.
हय.
Our reporter in Panji Lokik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.